So my topic was functionalism, or some may know it as functional psychology. A quick overview is a functionalist approach to psychology is one that looks at why we do the things we do and what purpose do those things serve. Structuralism, on the other hand, was basically the study of the anatomy of the mind. So here is why functionalism is superior to structuralism. My partner said that structuralism provides a much clearer understanding in explaining our behavior. Okay, so how? What could be better for understanding human behavior than an approach that looks at why we do the things we do? Isn't that behavior? Structuralism looked at introspection, which is very subjective, and ultimately the subjectivity led to the downfall of structuralism. Right, so functionalism was birthed because of the failure of structuralism. Furthermore, there was a separate field of study completely devoted to understanding human behavior, and functionalism was what got the ball rolling on that. So structuralism basically tried to break down the parts of the consciousness to understand them by compiling perspectives of different individuals' experiences. This is where the problem is. We take all the perspectives of every individual on one experience, we're going to get tons of different answers. That's super subjective. This is not because every person's brain perceives things in the same exact way. The functionalist approach tried to understand why subjects had that experience. So, for example, subjects would look at the color red, and structuralism would try to understand the experience of the color red, whereas functionalism would try to understand why we are seeing the color red. So functionalism is no longer around, but it contributed to huge things such as behaviorism, which is the study of human behavior, and even the evolution theory, which are both studied today. So in a way, functionalism is actually still around and it never died.